Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on a 2019 Mirada. This has an Onan generator in it, and this is a commons generator that goes into most A and C class RVs. Now this is going to be a quick how-to on how to change your oil and your filter within your system. Now what you're going to do is locate the bleeder valve right here, but you're going to turn this. It's basically the same thing as an oil pan bolt. You're going to twist this. This will open up that valve and allow that oil to drain out of the system. Once you do that and let it fill up the container you have, we can go over and locate the oil filter, which you'll be able to remove from the bottom end, which you see is right next to that spout. Now you can walk away for a few minutes. It's going to take a little bit of time for it to fully drain out. It's a slow drain process. Then once you see no more oil pouring out, we can then go and locate the oil filter, which is underneath. You might need an oil filter wrench to unloosen it if it's too tight. Now once you have removed the old filter, you can inspect it and see if there's any debris inside of that filter, any metal flakings, which will indicate any sort of issues with the motor. If you're all clear, install the new filter, fill up with some fresh oil, check the levels. It's very critical that you have it at the right level because the engine will shut off as you're driving if the oil level is too high or too low. I do recommend using straight weight, not something that is mixed. Alright guys, remember to check out our merch for sale on our eBay channel. You might find something that you need or want. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to see more videos just like this.